Hi, I'm Jeff from Ttarp, and today we're going to be showcasing our 60-inch PSA laminator with updated controls and an inline corona treater. So we're going to start on the infeed side of our machine where the let-off air bar is. This one's upgraded to 900-pound capacity, an internal air bar, safety chuck, a pneumatic brake, and a manual tracking for edge alignment. So we use our loop sensor and photo eye to get the stretch out of the material. There's a silicone-driven roller, variable speed, and a gravity roller. This is our corona treater option. This one's dual-sided and provides better adhesion for PVC, silicone, and Poron. So this is our belt-driven infeed table option. So how do we solve stretched material? Well, we had a belt-driven servo on our infeed table. The operator has on-screen adjustment of that, precise control, eliminating that stretched material before it goes into our nip rollers. So on our upper let-off option, it's great for thin materials. You're gonna wrap that through a pair of rollers, get that S-wrap configuration, and then go right down into our nip rollers.
Ttarp's 26-inch diameter heat drum with 180-degree roll wrap for PSA provides stability for wide web laminating without wrinkles. The 3 PID controlled zones provide dependable temperature within 2 degrees Fahrenheit. And if your application requires dual-sided laminating, we have an infrared heater option for you.
So on our PSA laminators, we use 2 sets of rollers. The first one is going to be for that initial tack. The second roller is going to be for your bond. That's going to be at a higher compression, 20%, 30%. But this way you can get a really good bond without that curl. So I've just opened up our main cabinet and non-operator side guard to make an adjustment to our score cutters. Changeovers are simple, easy. Adjustment for position is toolless. Turn off the air, make your adjustment, tighten in the right spot, reconnect your air. That's it, you're back up and running as fast as you can. So when you're running thin materials, we have an option with a bottom-driven roller, a gravity roller, and this will help assist the material as it goes from our score cutters through the machine frame. So when your application needs to take rolls to sheets, we have an option for that. 2 choices to choose from. One is a crush cut blade, the other is a rotary blade option. Great for inline processing. You can take that roll good and make it 72 inches or 60 inches right in line. It's already laminated, stack it up and you're ready to go. So on our outfeed side of the machine, we have a lower windup. This one's got internal air bladders, a 900-pound capacity with safety chucks, a foot pedal option. The operators are gonna love that. They're gonna be able to turn the roll, shrink wrap it by themselves, hands-free. We also have an upper windup that allows you to stagger your rolls to prevent rebonding here down at the bottom. And when your substrate has a top liner, you're gonna be able to use this to peel the liner back off. So I'll give you guys a quick rundown of our updated controls with touchscreen capability. You can navigate from the roll screen for roll mode, go to the sheet screen for sheet mode, be able to adjust your temperature for your heat drum, and in this case also your IR on zone 4. So another cool option about our updated controls is the ability for the operator to save recipes for both either the roll mode or the sheet mode operation. Thanks for watching our video tour of our 60-inch PSA laminator. Hopefully we can work with you on your next project.